Hi students, today we are going to start chapter wise specimen question 12 standard. Today's chapter is differentiation. In this chapter consists of two parts. In first part there will be 8 questions and second part there will be also 8 questions which are important for ISC CBSE West Bengal Board 12 standard. Let's start question number 1 right now. Here, question number 1, differentiation dy by this is this. Prove that this equals to this. Now, let us differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equals to m will come first. M x plus root over of x square minus 1 m minus 1 into d dx of x plus root over of x square minus 1. We know d dx of x to the power n is m x to the power n minus 1. It is m this to the power n minus 1. Now let's do differentiation. Differentiate this equals to m x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1. Differentiate of this is 1 plus 1 by 2 root over of x square minus 1 into x square derivative 2x in chain rule. Then this to cancel. That is m x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1. Now adding this, we will have root over of x square minus 1. This will be x plus root over of x square minus 1. That is m into this to the power m minus 1, this to the power 1. That is x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1 plus 1. This and this by square root of x square minus 1. Here is dy by dx. Squaring both sides, no, not this, then dy that is equals to m, this is y, y value is this, that is my by root over of x square minus 1 dy by dx is this. Then squaring both sides equals to dy by dx x square minus 1 dy by dx whole square equals to m square y square. Hence proved. Squaring, this square will be square root removed, this will come here, that is x square minus 1 dy by this whole square equals to m square y square. Proved. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, y equals to sine tan inverse 2x. Let's take question number 2. Tan inverse 2x equals to theta. Then tan theta equals to 2x. Theta equals to tan inverse 2x. Then d theta by dx equals to 1 by 1 plus 4x square for 2x in differentiation is 2. Tan inverse is derivative 1 by 1 plus x square for 2x chain rule 2. That is dy by d theta by dx. Now taking triangle method, that is theta, tan theta is perpendicular over base. That will root over of 4x square plus 1. Now let's do y equals to, here y equals to sine theta. We took this is as theta. Then dy by dx equals to d theta of sine theta into d theta by dx. We have to differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx. But here is theta, that is d theta of sine theta into d theta by dx. Sine theta derivative is cos theta and d theta by dx value is this 2 by 1 plus 4x square. Here cos theta from triangle, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. that is 1 by root over of 4 x square plus 1 into 2 by 1 plus 4 x square. This will be just like power should be half. That is 2 by 1 plus 4 x square to the power half, or here is power is 1, that is 3 by 2. You have to prove, got it, that's proved. You have to find dy by dx is this proved. Next question number 3. Question number 3, y equals to sine x sine inverse x by root over 1 plus x square. It is differentiation of division. Question number 3, y equals to dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x over root over 1 minus x square in whole square. You know differentiation of derivative. Y equals to u by v, dy by dx equals to v square u dv by dx minus v du by dx. That is the formula for division. Here this whole square, denominator whole square, numerator is constant, that is root over of 1 minus x square into d dx of x sine inverse x minus x sine inverse x constant d dx of square root of 1 minus x square, using this formula uv equals to this is 1 minus x square square root, that is root over of 1 minus x square, uv derivative you know, uv d dx of uv, u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. Just like this uv, that is x constant, sine inverse derivative 1 by root over of 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x is constant, x is derivative 1 minus x sine inverse x, differentiation of this is 1 by 2 root over of 1 minus x square, minus x derivative is minus 12, this will be plus 2x. This and this cancel. Now multiply this with this, that is this and this cancel, this will be x plus root over of 1 minus x square sine inverse x this with this and this with this. Plus x square sine inverse x by root over of 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square. Now addition of this, that is x root over of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square sine inverse x plus x square sine inverse x. We have to find over 1 minus x square, that is x root over of 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x minus x square sine inverse x plus x square sine inverse x over 1 minus x square. This and this cancelled. The answer is x root over of 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x by 1 minus x square. That is 1 minus x square, denominator is this, you have to write 1 minus x square to the power half. This is denominator. That is 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2. 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2. This is the LCM. This by 1, this by 1. This is the LCM. So this is coming down. Okay, that is the differentiation of question number 3. dy by dx value is this. Next, question number 4. The question number 4, differentiate this with respect to this. Let u equals to, question number 4, let u equals to tan inverse x by 1 plus root over 1 minus x square, and v equals to sec inverse 1 by 2 x square minus 1. So here put, let x equals to tan theta, then theta equals to tan inverse x. Now differentiating with respect to x, now put u equals to tan inverse x value tan theta 1 x equals sin theta. Put x equals to sin theta, theta equals to sin inverse x. So this will be sin theta 1 plus 1 minus sin square cos, so that is only cos theta, equals to tan inverse 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. That is tan inverse cot theta by 2. That is tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2. That is pi by 2 minus half. Theta value is sin inverse x. Then du by dx equals to minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square. You got du by dx. Similarly, equals, we can write v equals to cos inverse 2 cos square, cos inverse 2 x square minus 1. Put x equals to cos theta, theta equals to cos inverse x. Put it here, cos inverse 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals to cos inverse cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. So that is cos 2 theta, that is 2 theta, that is 2 theta value cos inverse x. Then dv by dx equals to 2 by minus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. That is dv by dx, and this is du by dx. We have to find dv by du equals to dv by dx over du by dx. You have to find du by dv. Du by dv equals to du by dx by dv by dx. That is du by dx value is this. That is minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square into this will be go off, that is root over 1 minus x square by minus 2, that is 1 by 4 is the final answer. That is du by dv. Differentiate this with respect to u respect to v, that is du by dv value is, that is the answer. Du by dv value is 1 by 4. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Sin xy plus cos xy equals to 1. Tan xy is not equals to 1. Prove that dy by dx value is this. Question number 5. Differentiating with respect to x, sin xy derivative cos xy and d dx of xy. Sin xy derivative cos xy d dx of xy plus cos xy derivative is minus sin xy d dx of xy equals to 0. What derivative is 0? Now cos xy derivative x dy by dx plus y x derivative is 1 minus sin xy x dy by dx plus y into 1 equals to 0. Then x dy by dx plus y, taking common, here is cos xy minus sin xy, this with this and this with this, plus here y is common, cos xy minus sin xy equals to 0. So this is common, that is cos xy minus sin xy x dy by dx plus y equals to 0. This is common and this plus this equals to 0. That is cos xy minus sin xy equals to 0. Sin xy equals to 0. That is sin xy equals to cos xy, that is tan xy equals to 1, which is not possible because this is given not equals to 1. And second one, x dy by dx equals to minus y, this equals to 0. Either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Then dy by dx is minus y by x, which is proved dy by dx value. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. Differentiate these with respect to x. Let y equals to, question number 6, let y equals to x to the power x sin inverse root x. We have to differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equals to x to the power x, derivative of d dx of sin inverse root x plus sin inverse root x is constant, d dx of x to the power x equals to x to the power x, sin is the derivative 1 by root over 1 minus root x whole square into root x derivative 1 by 2 root x by chain rule, plus you have to derivative this sin inverse root x, let u equals to x to the power x, taking log u equals to x log x, differentiating 1 by u, du by dx equals to x constants log x derivative 1 by x plus log x constant derivative 1, that is du by dx equals to u 1 plus log x. What is u? U value x to the power x 1 plus log x. So du by dx value is this, put it here, d dx of this to take as u, that is x to the power x 1 plus log x. That is the 1 plus log x, that is the differentiation of, we have to find dy by differential respect of this. This is the answer. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Y equals to tan inverse this. Find dy by dx. Put x equals to tan theta. Question number 7. Put x equals to tan theta. Then theta equals to tan inverse x. Then y equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta is sec square, that is sec theta. Sec theta plus 1 by tan theta equals to tan inverse 1 by cos theta plus 1 means 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 plus cos theta is tan inverse 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta submultiple sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. That is tan inverse cot theta by 2. That is tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2 cot convert to tan. Tan 90 by theta is cot theta. That is pi by 2 minus half. Theta is tan inverse x. Then this is y equals to then differentiating dy by dx equals to minus half 1 by 1 plus x square. That is the differentiation of given expression. Then question number 8. Here y equals to log a by b formula, log a minus log b. Question number 8. Y equals to log of a plus b sin x minus log a minus b sin x. Log a by b means log a minus log b. Now differentiating respect to x, dy by dx is 1 by log x, a derivative 1 by x, that is a plus b sin x. Now derivative of this is b cos x. Derivative of this log x, a derivative 1 by x, and derivative of this b constant cos derivative sin x minus 1 by a minus b sin x. B here is minus b, this will be plus b cos x. So here b cos x is common. 1 by a plus b sin x plus 1 by a plus a minus b sin x. Now taking LCM to addition b cos x. This is the LCM, that is a square minus b square sin square x. A plus b, a minus b formula. Then a minus b sin x plus a plus b sin x. B sin x is cancelled. That is 2ab cos x by a square minus b square sin square x. And you have to prove this dy by dx. This is dy by dx 2ab by a square minus b square sin square x. Okay, now we completed 8 sums questions from part 1. Please make a note of these sums which are important for IC, CBSE, West Bengal Board 12 standard. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.